Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Wi-Fi in Samsung Galaxy A55. The easiest way to turn off our Wi-Fi is to swipe from the top, and here we have our Wi-Fi shortcut. Now it's off. Alternatively, to turn it off, we can, or if this shortcut is not here, yes, we need to go to our settings. I show you from the beginning. We need to go to our settings. Then in connections, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi at the top. And here we have the list of our available networks. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now we are disconnected from the internet. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.